9th class student exercise 18.2 question number 13 first part cos theta upon sin theta 90 minus theta plus sin theta upon cos 90 minus theta is equal to 2. Proof question is, at first write the LHS cos theta upon sin 90 minus theta plus sin theta upon cos 90 minus theta. Cos it is same, sin 90 minus theta change into cos theta plus sin theta upon cos 90 minus theta change into sin theta. Divide by same, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to RHS. First part is complete. Second part is cos theta into sin 90 minus theta plus sin theta into cos 90 minus theta is equal to 1. We prove the one. LHS is equal to cos theta into sin 90 minus theta plus sin theta into cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal, it is same, sin 90 minus theta is formula change into cos theta plus sin theta, it is same, cos 90 minus theta change into sin theta according to 90 minus theta formula. After multiply cos square theta plus sin square theta, both make a identity, both value sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 is equal to, that is right hand side. Second part is complete. Third part 13 question. Tan theta upon tan 90 minus theta plus साइन 90 माइनस थीटा अपॉन कोस थीटा इज इक्वल टू sec square theta. LHS is tan theta tan 90 minus theta sin 90 minus theta upon cos theta. It is our left hand side. Two formulae. 90 minus theta is changed by tan theta. It is same. Tan change into cot. Cot theta plus sin change into cos theta. Tan theta cot and tan is reciprocal, so we can write 1 upon tan theta place of cot theta plus same divided by same is equal to 1 after tan square tan theta into tan theta upon 1 plus 1 after multiply tan square theta plus 1 it is identity. 1 plus tan square is sec square is equal to right hand side. Third part is complete. Question number 14. 14 is first part. First part is cos 90 minus a into sin 90 minus a upon tan 90 minus a is equal to 1 minus cos square. Taking the LHS, cos 90 minus a into sin 90 minus a upon tan 90 minus a. Cos 90 minus a is formula. Cos change into sin a into sin 90 minus a change into cos a. Tan change into cot a. Sin a into cos a cot cos a upon sin a. Value of cot a after sin a into cos a into sin a upon cos a multiply sin square a write in 1 minus cos square is equal to right hand side, it is identity. Question number 14 is complete. First part is. Second part is sin 90 minus a upon cosec 90 minus a plus cos 90 minus a upon sec 90 minus a. We prove is equal to 1. Taking the LHS is equal to sin 90 minus a upon cosec 90 minus a plus cos 90 minus a upon sec 90 minus a. Sin change into cos a, cosec change into sec plus cos 90 minus theta, theta here is a, cos change into sin, sin a upon sec change into cosec, cosec a, cos a and sec a is reciprocal, cos sec write in 1 upon cos a plus sin a, sin and cosec is reciprocal 1 upon sin a in place of cosec. After changing cos a into cos a and upon 1 plus sin a into sin a upon 1. After multiply cos square a plus sin square a. It is identity. Both make a identity is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. Second part is complete. 15 question. Question 15 is first part 15 question. Cos a upon theta upon sin 90 minus theta plus cos 90 minus theta upon sec 90 minus theta minus 3 tan square 30. Find the value. Cos it is same, sin change into cos theta plus cos change into sin, sec change into cosec, minus 3, tan 30 value is 1 upon under root 3 square. Divide by same is 1 plus sin and cosec is reciprocal, sin theta upon 1 upon sin theta in place of 3 into cosec theta. 3 into after square 1 upon 3, 3 divided by 3, sin theta is goes denominator, 1 plus sin theta into sin theta upon 1 minus 1 1 जा 1 is equal to sin multiply sin square theta. Second part is question, second part. Cosec 90 minus theta into sin 90 minus theta into cot 90 minus theta upon cos 90 minus theta into sec 90 minus theta into tan theta plus cot theta upon tan 90 minus theta. That is question is equal to cosec change into sec theta into sin change into cos and cot into change by tan theta. Tan theta into sec change into cosec theta and cos change into sin theta. Tan by tan plus cot theta, it is same, tan 90 minus theta change into cot theta, divide by same, sec and cos is reciprocal is 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Question number 15 is complete. Question number 17. 17 is find the value of a first part. Sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 6, where 3a and a minus 6 is acute angle. left hand side is sin, right hand side is cos. Change by into sin 3a, right cos 90 minus 3a is equal to, it is same, a minus 6 comparing 90 minus a, 3a is equal to a minus 6. Remove the bracket. 90 minus 3a is equal to a minus 6. 90 minus plus 6, a plus 3a. Interchange by left and right. After plus 96, after plus is 4a. Then a is equal to 96 upon 4. 4 to the 40. 24 degrees. Value of a. First part is complete. Second part, third part, it is same. Second part is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 26. Change by first tan and cot. Tan right in cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 26. After comparing 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 26. Remove the bracket. 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 26. Interchanging the left and right. 90 plus 26, a plus 2a. After plus 3a and 116. Note a 26 is 18. 18 in place of 26. 108. A is equal to 108 upon 3. 3 3 is 9 or 3 6 is 18. 36. Find the value. A is equal to 36. Third part, change by left hand side. All question, one digit is changed by sec 2a is equal to cosec a minus 27. Left hand side is sec, right hand side is cosec. Change by sec is easy. Sec right, cosec 90 minus 2a. Right hand side it is cosec a minus 27, comparing 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 27. After remove the bracket, 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 27. Interchange a plus 2a, 90 plus 27, after plus 3a and plus is 117. A is equal to upon 3, 3 3 is 9, 39. 39 value is a 17 question is complete. Thank you.